Fene-Ferrol, a natural estuary providing both protection and shelter. The origins of Navantia Ferrol estuary shipyards date back to the 18th century, following the decision of the Spanish king to build the Royal Naval Docks and shipyards on this site. This event marked the start of a long-standing tradition whereby the shipyards that line Ferrol's estuary have remained at the forefront of technology, offering the best human capital, highly trained in state-of-the-art procedures and techniques. Ferrol's capacity to maintain this tradition over 3 centuries is a reason for immense pride for the entire city, and provides added value and confidence in the shipyard's skills and know-how. Navantia Ship Repairs, Ferrol's shipyards and facilities stand on both shores of the estuary. Lying on Europe's major maritime routes at the heart of the commercial lines that run along the west coast of the continent, this estuary enjoys a privileged location, offering natural features that provide the necessary shelter to work on all kinds of vessels. Over the years, Navantia Ship Repairs Ferrol has consolidated and strengthened its position at the forefront of naval technology, integrating the latest methods and processes and ensuring it has the essential know-how for any repairs that may be required in all types of vessels. This ongoing effort and determination to keep up to date provides our customers with the assurance that even the most complex repairs are in safe hands. Tradition and know-how, capacity to improve, technology, innovation, safety, and above all, trust. A commitment to customers that is the principal value of Navantia Ship Repairs. Reliable workers committed to carrying out their work correctly, competent and trustworthy management teams, reliability in terms of delivery times, an ongoing quest for quality, safety, and protection of the environment. Reliability thanks to its position at the forefront of the industry and the dedication to meeting delivery times and agreements consistently shown by all members of staff at all levels. Our employees and those of the auxiliary industries that work with us form a dedicated and determined team whose standards of work and reliability enable us to maintain the confidence and trust ship owners place in Navantia. A commitment to the customer. That is in evidence at all stages. A commitment to the work to be done and a deep commitment to quality and safety. Working with Navantia Ship Repairs Ferrol implies the strict compliance with labour, health, safety and environmental regulations. All these efforts are rewarded with trust and confidence that the world's leading shipping companies place in Navantia's team of professionals and its facilities in Ferrol's estuary. The degree of specialization and technology at Navantia Ship Repairs enables us to provide the support necessary for the repairs and maintenance of all types of marine equipment. We work directly with manufacturers, suppliers, and technical services on a mutual trust and reliance basis. The work teams at Navantia Ship Repairs Ferrol offer customers the peace of mind of knowing they will receive technical assistance from a world-leading company, with the added guarantee of the respect we feel for the history of our shipyard, a commitment to its surroundings and its people, offering a strict compliance with health and safety regulations for all those members of staff involved in repair projects, as well as crews, technical services, employees and subcontractors, a commitment to professional skills and highest quality, and faith in a job well done, a sense of commitment and dedication to our customers that makes Navantia Ria di Ferrol the perfect choice for fleets from all over the world. Navantia Ship Repairs Ferrol. Commitment.